Welcome to this tutorial on how to use our FuelEU simulator. Firstly, start by selecting your reporting year. Now choose which leg to use from the F column. Legs reflect the FuelEU voyage. EU to EU, EU to non-EU, and so on. Now enter your fuel mass in metric tons for each voyage scope. A voyage from Greece to Italy is considered EU to EU. Therefore, we will enter our data into this one first. We can see several consumptions, so we will fill the calculator according to our voyage report. Ensure to fill the correct fuel type. For this example, it is our biodiesel, HFO and MGO consumption. On the right-hand side, you can begin to see the results and penalty calculations. For now, we are in the green and will not be paying penalties. Now we will go from Italy to Egypt, which means we will be going from EU to non-EU, and other regulations and penalties may apply. Therefore, be sure to use the correct leg as data points are attached. Lastly, we go from Egypt to Greece, which is non-EU to EU. Let's quickly fill in our fuel consumption and see what happens. Don't forget to add your port stays. Here we have Greece, Italy and Greece again, which means EU ports, for a total of 35 MGO consumption. We can now see the final results and their breakdown that has varied as we entered our values. Our GHGI actual is above the target GHGI, which results in our compliance balance being negative. Thank you for watching this FuelEU simulator tutorial. We hope you are ready to simulate your voyage and calculate your compliance with confidence.